evaporation, cooling by evaporation, condensation. Evaporation is the process by which liquid gets converted into gaseous form at any temperature below its boiling point. All liquids can evaporate at room temperature and normal air pressure. It happens when atoms or molecules escape from the liquid and turn into vapor. There are always a few molecules with a lot of energy and some with very low energy. The molecules with a lot of energy are able to build up enough power to convert themselves into gaseous state. Once they reach that energy level, they leave the liquid state. When the molecule leaves the liquid, we say it has evaporated. The rate of evaporation is affected when there is a change in the surface area, temperature, humidity, and wind speed, etc. In an open vessel, the liquid keeps on evaporating. The particles of liquid absorb energy from the surrounding to regain the energy lost during evaporation. This absorption of energy from the surrounding reduces the temperature of the surrounding and makes it cool. Now, let's learn the basics of condensation. Condensation is the formation of liquid drops from vapor. It usually occurs when a parcel of rising air expands and cools. If it cools enough, some of the water vapor molecules clump together faster. It is the process which creates clouds, and so it is essential for rain and the formation of snow as well. When clouds form, the heat removed from the surface through evaporation is released again in the atmosphere. This process keeps the Earth's climate cooler than it would otherwise be if there was no water.